G'day everyone. And like many people, over winter I've let my weeds get absolutely out of control. I should know better. I do know better, but I still did it. Anyway, time to start getting it down so we can get our spring and summer veggies in. And I was down at Aldi, and they had some special buys. And they had some marked down special buys, which makes me really happy. What was it? It was a $20 garden tool set, marked down to 10. The reason I'm actually showing you these is these are interesting. They have a vertical handle rather than the horizontal. I'm not sure if it's going to be any good, but I've got pretty dodgy wrists. And it's worth a shot for 10 bucks. Now let's open it up and get them out and see what they're like. Oh. They can get composted. There's 3 tools in there. There's your standard shovel with an upright handle. There's our 3-prong thingy what's it for pulling out weeds. And another 3-prong thingy what's it for prying weeds up. As I said, the interesting part is they've got a vertical rather than a horizontal handle. So come on in, we'll have a look what they're like. We're just going to give them a try out in here. Let's get some of these terrible weeds out of the way. Starting with this one, you can see we've got like a dandelion there. Underneath, lift it up. Just comparing it to the normal horizontal ones, I think this one is definitely easier. It's those horrible thistles. They sting like mad. Those little fellas. No, you don't want to snip that. Judging by this angle is actually very beneficial for this time. We'll try the 3-pronged whatever it is here, and we'll just drag along. And I think it's a slight improvement. Keeping the wrist straight like that and dragging back, I think that is definitely a slight improvement. And now we'll try digging a hole. Not quite as ergonomically friendly as the others, because digging doesn't seem to be the same sort of action. But yeah, it may help. Only way to know is to go out and weed this almighty mess for a couple of hours and see how sore my wrists get. Under normal circumstances, they get really sore. With these, they might get a little less sore. Okay, let's get back to it. I'll finish these garden beds off and report back on their effectiveness. Righto, I've cleared out the bed. Mostly using this, with the help of my little woolly wagtail friend. And I think they are beneficial. They're not a cure, but they certainly seem a little bit easier. I'm going to continue to use them. I've got a huge amount more weeding to do. But I think for 10 bucks, quality's okay. But they might make a difference on the old wrists. What do you reckon? You use these? You prefer the straight handle one? Let me know in the comments, eh? You enjoy life, subscribe, like, etc. I'll catch you in the garden.